Hello, Sunbeard here, and this is a tutorial for creating container minecart sorters. So first thing you're going to want to do is figure out which way your rail is going to switch. So by default, it's going to go straight. Anything we switch out is going to go left. So take that into consideration, and that should tell you whether you need to use the negated or the regular design. So next thing you're going to want to do is place the hoppers. So they're going to need to feed into that direction. That one's going to feed into that block. This one's going to feed into that hopper. And we're going to put two more over here that will feed into this space right here. Right, next thing we want to do is build the switching mechanism. So we need to make a spot for a comparator to sit on. So it's going to go right there, come out of that hopper. And it's going to go into this redstone dust. On this side, we're going to put a repeater sent to 2 ticks to lengthen the pulse. And right here, we're going to add another repeater for a shorter pulse. That's going to go into this block. And that will be what switches our rail. So now we just connect this up to that. And that part's finished. So next thing we're going to want to do is build the dropper tower to recycle our items through the system. So we're going to need a 3x3 footprint. That's going to go here. And we'll put our dropper facing straight up here and another one above it. Next we need to put a comparator coming out of it on one of the sides, and it needs to be in subtraction mode. A repeater there, and fill the rest in with redstone. Now our dropper tower is complete. So all we need to do is hook it up to some hoppers that will feed items into the whatever thing we're feeding into. Just container. Yeah. And the last thing you want to do is put whatever item you're going to be using in the system. So I'm going to use redstone, and you want to make sure that there's enough items in there so that it doesn't run out if too many carts go through. You're pretty safe with 64. So now, let's test it. So we have a chest, it goes left. Hopper also goes left. And furnace is going to go straight. And any other cart for that matter will also go straight. Unfortunately, furnaces are so slow, they don't even fall off. So yeah, it goes off. Alright, hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll check out some of my other videos. If you missed the general video on sorting minecarts, you may want to check that out. And also check out the other video on sorting minecarts based on what items they have in them. And those will be up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.